Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This video is about best app for making money. Today I want to explore the best money-making apps. There are very few of us who feel like we make enough money. Earning more can help you pay off debt, get on track for retirement, or you simply diversify your income sources. There are tons of apps and websites where you can start earning part-time money. If you want to earn money in your spare time, you can find something to fit your schedule and interests. But with so many options, who do you trust? Let's look at several trusted websites that we've vetted. Number 15. App Trailers. With app trailers, you preview video trailers, celebrity gossip, DIY videos, and then earn PayPal cash or Amazon promo codes. If you already enjoy watching trailers, this is a great way to make extra money. Whether you're waiting in line at the DMV or wasting a few moments before you head out for dinner, try earning extra cash with App Trailer. Number 14. Swagbucks. Shop, watch videos, answer surveys, find great deals, and earn rewards with Swagbucks. You can then use your points to earn cash back or gift cards at your favorite retailers. Essentially, you earn money for doing the things you already do online. You can redeem for gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, and more. Number 13. Survey Junkie. You'll answer a few profile questions on this paid survey site when you sign up, and then complete surveys for which you are eligible. Earn points for every completed survey. Redeemable for PayPal cash or gift cards to various retailers. Survey Junkie is yet another place where you can get paid to give your opinion in your free time. Number 12. Mistplay. If you're an avid gamer, Mistplay might be the place for you to make some extra pocket money. You play games on their app and get rewards for doing so. The app uses data within the games and machine learning to recommend the best games to its users. If you try out this loyalty program, you'll join over 3 million users worldwide who earn money by playing games. Number 11. Branded surveys. Once you sign up for this online survey site, your profile will help them match you to a variety of surveys. You collect points for each survey you complete, refer friends and earn more points. Redeem your points for gift cards or via PayPal or branded pay. Number 10. Sweatcoin. If you enjoy the great outdoors and staying active, you'll love Sweatcoin. This app tracks and verifies every outdoor step you take using your phone's accelerometers and GPS location. You will earn currency or Sweatcoins for every step. What could be better than making cash and getting fit? Number 9. Slidejoy. Staying up to date on today's news has plenty of advantages, but Slidejoy increases the benefits by rewarding you every time you read a trending article. To reap these rewards, you must allow Slidejoy to place ads and trending articles on your smartphone's lock screen. You'll receive cashback or gift cards every time you view an article or ad. Some of their redeemable gift cards include Amazon, Google Play, Walmart, and more. Number 8. Swoup. If you have stacks of loyalty cards, Swoup is the app for you. Swoup links all of your loyalty cards to the app and gives you discounts at all your favorite stores. You can use these discounts to pay for your student loans, donate to your favorite charity, or spend it all. Swoup makes it easy to keep track of your loyalty accounts and organize them in one place. Number 7. Shopkick. Shopkick rewards you for shopping at your favorite stores. You can earn gift cards in several ways, including scanning items in the store, purchasing with a linked card, making online purchases, and more. It's super easy to earn points or kicks to redeem your favorite gift cards. For all the consumers who love to shop, this is the app for you. Number 6. iBotta. Before you venture out on a shopping trip, download iBotta to earn cash back on your purchases. Once you purchase a qualifying item, take a photo of your receipt and earn extra cash back instantly. You can earn cash back on items ranging from cosmetics to grocery items. Who doesn't want to earn extra cash on things they already buy? Number 5. MyPoints. MyPoints is another app that enables you to earn cash back for purchases. They offer coupon codes for top retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Apple, Target, and Groupon. Once you've signed up, use their website to find coupon codes for things you need. Then, start turning up to 40% cash back at their 2,000 participating retailers. Your rewards pay out via PayPal or a variety of gift cards. Number 4. Healthywitch. Are you looking to lose a few pounds? Healthywitch can keep you accountable for a weight loss goal and give you a nice payout. You can create a weight loss challenge for yourself and your friends, family, colleagues, or another group. Everyone who commits to the challenge pays an entry fee, and those who attain a 6% weight loss split the money minus the 25% administration fee. Whether you're motivated by the fear of losing money or the hope of earning money, it's a smart bet. Number 3. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a paid survey site that gives you a chance to earn real money during your downtime by taking surveys, playing games, reading emails, conducting internet searches, or watching short videos. Number 2. Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost is another survey site that will pay you for your opinion about company products and services. You can use their active dashboard or receive emails with survey offers. Number 1. Prize Rebel. You can start earning Amazon gift cards and PayPal cash in less than 5 minutes. Prize Rebel offers members a variety of ways to earn rewards from completing surveys, offers, and watching videos. You can complete your surveys from your desktop or phone with no limitations on how much you can earn. That's all about today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.